Hello dear viewers and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will learn the basics of subject verb agreement. Subject verb agreement. But before understanding anything and everything about subject verb agreement, we need to understand some other things which are closely connected to subject verb agreement. These are what is subject verb agreement? How to identify subject and verb in the sentence, what exactly is subject verb agreement, and lastly basic rules surrounding it. So without a further go, let's get started. So what is a subject in a sentence? Subject is actually a person, place, thing or idea that is doing or being something. And what is verb in a sentence? A verb is an action performed by the subject or state of being. Now let's understand this with an example sentence. Now the example is Ajay plays cricket regularly. Ajay plays cricket regularly. Now to identify the subject, please ask over here who is performing the action. It is Ajay. So here over here Ajay is our subject. And to identify the verb, please ask who is playing or what subject is performing. Subject is playing. So the word play over here becomes our verb. So I hope I have clarified how to identify subject and how to identify verb in a sentence. Now dear viewers, one thing I need to clarify over here, that based on point of view, subject may be in the first person, in the second person and in the third person as well. In the first person we have I and we. In the second person we have you, and in the third person we have he, she, it and they. But based on the count we have subject. The subject is again divided into two types. The first one is singular and the next one is plural. Coming to the main topic of the video, that is what is subject verb agreement. Now dear viewers, for making a sentence grammatically correct, a verb must agree with its subject in number. Okay, so what are these rules and all that? The first rule is that singular subject must come with another singular verb, and another plural subject must come with another plural verb. So maybe it has not gone in your mind, so let us understand this with an example sentence. Now dear viewers, please see, we have used some sentences where subject is singular. Our first sentence is that monkey eats banana. Now over here the monkey is singular, and so that the verb we have used is also singular one. So this subject has agreed with its verb. Coming to the next example, over here the sentence is this car goes fast. Now the car is a singular one, so the verb is also a singular one. So the subject has again agreed with its verb. So I hope this one is clear. Coming to the sentences where subject is plural. So please see over here, those monkeys eat bananas. Now over here the monkeys, the subject is plural, so the verb is also plural. We have used eat, so the subject has again agreed with its verb. Coming to the next example, that is these cars go fast. Now over here the subjects are plural, that is why the verb is also a plural one. So the subject has agreed with its verb. Please remember one thing, that subject must agree with its verb always, otherwise the sentence will be wrong. I hope up to this much I have clarified all your doubts. So if you have any other doubt, you can write it in the comment box. Till then, stay safe and stay happy. Thank you for watching the video.